In this video, I will show you how to import data from an Access database, table style, and how to filter data. Suppose you are working in the Excel environment and you have to import data from Access database into Excel. This is the MS Microsoft Access environment and you have data available here. You have to import this data into Excel. So for this purpose, first you have to go to the Data tab in Excel environment. And from Data tab, Get and Transform Data Group, and then Get Data. Open this arrow and you will see from database. When you click on the database, you will see different databases: SQL Server database, Microsoft Access database, Oracle database, and so on. But here we are importing from the Access database. So click here and it will ask you where you have saved. We have saved on desktop. And it will take a little bit time. So see, these are the tables. We have to suppose click on the first one. We are importing the client table from Access database and it will open in the query editor mode, which we will discuss in MS Access. So this is the data. Then you have to click on close and load. So see, we have imported data from Access into Excel, right? So this is our table. And the second is table style. So these are the table style, right? Suppose if you want this blue, yellow, these are the different style. If you do not like any style from here, open this gallery, more gallery. This is light, medium, dark, whatever you want. When you will click on any one, it will give you the name. This is light orange table style, medium 24. Suppose if you do not like this, you want this. So see, blue table style, medium 6. Suppose we want this, just click on it. Right, and these are the filter buttons. This one. See, customer ID, first name, last name. So these are the filters. Suppose if you want to filter your data, these are the employees or these are the reps, right, who lives in Quebec and Ontario. You want to see only who lives in Ontario. So you have to filter. So click this filter button. See, the select all is check mark. So just remove this and click on Ontario and OK. So you will see the employees who live in Ontario. If you want to clear this filter, open clear filter from province. Similarly, if you want to know the name of the employees whose last names are William, so open this, remove this check mark from select all and find out where is William. So you will see William. So there are only 2 Williams. If you want to remove this filter, open this clear filter. Now suppose if you want to filter your data based on address, open this. First you have to remove select all and which address you are looking for. Suppose you are looking for 11 Maitland Avenue, just click here and OK. So you will see that such deer lives in this address. If you want to remove, clear filter from that address. So in this video, we have learned how to import data from Access into Excel, table style, and how to filter data. I hope you have enjoyed my video and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.